Amanda. Welcome back to 5-Minute Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda， 歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Remember, what have we learned in our previous lesson? Right, we talk about work, 工作. So this time, let's talk about no work. Let's get started. For example, you simply don't have a job. Very easy. You can simply say 冇返工，冇返工 or 冇做嘢，冇做嘢。How about no need to work? Yes. 唔使返工，唔使返工。Resign 辭職，辭職 or you can also say 辭工，辭工。For example, I want to resign.我 to want 想 to resign 辭職 or 辭工。我想辭職 or 我想辭工。He 佢 pay attention 辭 as a verb 職 or 工 means to work. Okay? So for the past tense 佢辭咗職 or 佢辭咗工，佢辭咗職 or 佢辭咗工。Retired 退休，退休。Similar as the previous one, if you want to say past tense, the word 咗 is in the middle. For example, my dad is retired. You can say it like this. My dad. 我爸爸 is retired. 退咗休，退咗休。Unemployed 失業，失業。For example, how to say many people are unemployed. Many people 好多人，好多人 unemployed 失業，失業好多人失業。He's been unemployed for 3 months. How to say he 佢 you can either say 失業，失業 or 失咗業，失咗業 for 3 months. Here you can simply say 3 months. 3個月，3個月。佢失業3個月 or 佢失咗業3個月。Fired. If you say fired alone, 炒魷魚，炒魷魚 or 炒魷，炒魷。Okay, pay attention. If you have the word 魚 after, the tone is tone 4 魷. Okay, 炒魷魚。If you simply say 炒魷, okay, 魷 is tone 2. Housewife 家庭主婦，家庭主婦。家庭主婦 is quite an old term. Nowadays, people like to say full-time mom, full-time dad. So in Cantonese, full-time mom. Remember how to say full-time in Cantonese? Right. 全職 mom 媽媽，全職媽媽。How about full-time dad? Yes. 全職爸爸，全職爸爸。Alright, just now you said housewife, 家庭主婦. There is no official term for male. If a husband is not working and he's not a dad, it will go back to the first sentence we learned. 佢冇做嘢 or 佢冇返工。Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want more worksheets and supplementary on the exercise, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。